Here's how I make my stickers. I use an iPad Pro and an Apple Pencil, and I draw everything on the Procreate app. After I finish my design, I like to draw an outline with a white brush, and I make sure to hide the original background so the outline will show up when I save it as a PNG file. After that, I airdrop the file to my computer and open up Cricut Design Space. Then I create a new project and upload my PNG file as a complex image type. Check to make sure that the Cricut recognizes the outline and save it as a print and cut. Then select the image and upload it onto the workspace. The maximum size you can print out on a page is 6.75 inches by 9.25 inches. You can create a square like I did to help you organize the sticker layout when you're starting out. Once you have your layout in place, you want to select all of your images and select Attach. Select Make It and Continue, and make sure your Cricut is connected so you can send your design to the printer. I use Online Label's weatherproof matte sticker paper and use an HP Envy Photo 7155 printer. I remove the bleed and select System Dialog. This allows me to adjust the paper type and also the print setting. After it's printed out, I align it to my cutting mat and make sure everything is secure. To cut my stickers, I set the dial to Customs. To add your own cut settings, go to Browse All Materials, then go to Material Settings, then go all the way down to Add New Material. I named my new material Die Cut Stickers, and then I set the blade pressure to 290. The settings may be different for new machines, but my blade is really old, so it takes more pressure to cut through this paper type. Save your new material, then go back to Browse All Materials and find the material you made, and then select the star icon so you can have easy access to it. Then load the mat into the Cricut and select the flashing button. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out with making stickers. If you guys have any more questions, please leave them down below in the comments.